Today I speak not just as a custodian of culture and tradition, but as a voice for my people who are deeply honored by the audience you have granted us here in the heart of a national leadership, Abuja. Your Excellency, your gracious reception of these visits is more than protocol. It is a mark of your character, your statesmanship, and your enduring regard for the pillars of traditional institution in national development. Your Excellency, the people of OYO remember your journey. You are a man who rose through a crucible of political struggle with unmatched courage and charity. You have won many hearts, activist, strategist, bridge builder, and now the nation's foremost leader. Nigeria looks to you not only for leadership, but for restoration, for a new vision rooted in justice, equity, and inclusive progress. It is in that spirit that I come today, not only to pay homage, but to seek your collaboration. OYO is ready. Yoruba in its entirety, we are ready, and all Nigerians are ready. Our people are resourceful. Our youths are eager. Our land is rich in culture and potential. We have seen the hands of the federal government in unlocking development across key sectors. So some of these areas, we have seen that you are performing excellently, and we are wishing you best of luck, and we know that definitely you will do better. In the economic reform, in the infrastructure development, we thank you, we say a big thank you to you. In the social welfare as well, same thing, your huge investment in agricultural sector, the youth empowerment as well. In the area of security, the country has become protected during your time. During the education and cultural preservation as well. We understand that national transformation is not built by government alone, not by tradition in isolation. It is built when ancient wisdom meets modern governance. When institution, old and new, work hand in hand with one vision, the progress of our people. Your Excellency, the ALAAFIN's Palace, the OYO Mercy, our chiefs, Yoruba nation, and indeed, the good people of OYO stand firmly behind you. We offer not just our support, but our partnership. Let us make the OYO Empire a model of region development, one that echoes the greatness of our past and aligns with your vision for a prosperous Nigeria. May the Almighty God continue to strengthen you, your hands, guide your hearts, and grant your administration the wisdom to unify and uplift the beloved nation. Thank you for receiving us, and thank you for honoring OYO and entire Yoruba nation. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much, Kabiyesi.